This syrup is my grandfather's recipe. Slice the radish thinly and place it in a jar. Drizzle everything with lime juice and add a little honey, then mix well. After a short time, it will release its natural juice. Radish has an expectorant effect, lime provides vitamin C and antibacterial properties, and honey soothes the throat lining and relieves irritation. This homemade syrup calms the throat and brings quick relief. Place a banana peel on the stove and heat it. Add a small amount of natural honey and continue warming it. Pour the finished syrup into a container. When heated, the banana peel releases natural sugars and minerals, and the honey blends more easily with warmth. Together, they create a thick syrup with soothing and coating properties. It's a quick, homemade remedy for cough, hoarseness, and an irritated throat, especially on cold days. Pour milk over the carrot. This is an old home remedy that my grandmother still uses today, and its preparation is incredibly simple. Start by cutting one carrot into smaller pieces. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which supports immunity and helps regenerate mucous membranes. Prepare a pot and add the chopped carrot. Pour in enough milk to fully cover it. Milk has a soothing effect on an irritated throat, helping to reduce coughing and phlegm. Simmer over low heat until the carrot becomes soft. A fork should easily pierce it. Once the carrot is ready, transfer it along with the milk into a blender and blend until smooth and uniform. Pour the finished syrup into a jar and store it in the refrigerator. This is a simple, homemade remedy for coughs that contains no artificial additives or preservatives. Regular use of 1 teaspoon a day can bring relief and naturally improve well-being.
Recipe for orchid syrup. Thanks to it, you will nourish and shine the leaves of your orchid. Making it takes a few minutes. When caring for orchids, we often focus on the flowers and forget about the leaves. If we take proper care of them, the plant will bloom more frequently and strongly. To make the syrup, put a tablespoon of sugar into a bowl. Add lemon juice. Then, add a teaspoon of honey. Pour in warm water. Stir until the honey and sugar dissolve. The mixture prepared this way is the syrup for orchids. Soak a cotton ball in it and gently wipe the orchid leaves, removing dust and impurities. The syrup will nourish the leaves, support their structure and regeneration. They will absorb more sunlight, which will have a positive effect on the plant's growth. This recipe is a great alternative to chemical shine-enhancing products that can be bought in gardening stores.